Are you pursuing the SIT40521 Certificate 𝑦4 in Kitchen Management? This course is designed for aspiring chefs aiming to take on supervisory roles in the kitchen. The Certificate 𝒂𝒄𝒂𝒕 in Kitchen Management equips you with essential skills, from preparing dishes to managing kitchen operations. Core units cover everything from food safety to menu design, ensuring comprehensive culinary training. Graduates can explore diverse career paths in hotels, restaurants, cafes, and more. Whether you aim to lead a kitchen team or start your own business, this certification opens doors to exciting opportunities. Struggling with Certificate IV in kitchen management assignments? Our expert team at Cookery Assignments is here to assist. With over 60,000 projects completed and 4,500 expert writers, we provide plagiarism-free, affordable assignments tailored to your needs. For over a decade, we've delivered top-quality assignments on time. Our experienced writers ensure your work meets all guidelines, helping you succeed in your studies. Need help? Contact us at cookeryassignments@gmail.com or call +61 39000 and 162672.